up your engines. Welcome to Wacky Wednesdays. I'm starting a new segment that gives you guys a chance to show off your own car mods here on my channel every Wednesday. Now, you don't need to have a cool car like the ones you see on my Show Off Sunday. You just need to show a modification that you made to your own car that you think is cool. It's open to everyone. I'm looking for wacky and interesting car mods from around the world that you'd like to share and show off how you did it and how it improves your ride, or maybe how it even makes your ride worse. I remember when I was a kid, a friend had a Ford panel van and he put a water bed in the back. That's a pretty cool mod. You can show stuff like this or like this, but not like this. So if you think you've got an interesting car mod, email me for a chance to show it off in a video on my channel every Wednesday. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.